Today we're looking at wood windows. This is a case of pretty typical sash rot here. Water leaks in to the glass frame here and rots out the sash. So we'll be repairing that today. We also have a little sill nose here that obviously a little bit of rot there. A couple parts of the window you may not know. So there are actually two parts of the sill. There's the sill itself, which is underneath the sash, and you also have the sill nose, which is right here at the edge of the sill. This is the drip edge that gets the water out over the trim. Most typically, this is the part that rots. We end up replacing a lot of sill rot. As you'll see when we go to the back, you got mullions on the windows. These are actually interior mullions, so they're actually on the inside of the glass. They aren't exposed to the weather, so you aren't going to have too much issue. Generally, the only time we have issues with interior mullions is with dogs. They like to jump up on the windows, they like to pull them down. On the back of the house here, we actually have a true bow window, which is actually a curve. Unlike the front where it's a bay, so three-sided, a bow window is generally 4 or 5-sided. Could be 6. It just depends on the bow. Same thing here. We've got your typical sill rot. Unlike the front though, this is actually a true divided light. So the mullions on this actually divide the glass. So the glass is actually smaller than in the front. Those are giant pieces of glass. These are smaller pieces of glass that are divided by true mullions. So today we're gonna come in, we're gonna replace this sill nose, which you can see it's got rot in several spots. We've got a couple pieces of trim to take care of here and a mullion to repair.